Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install CodeBlocks IDE on your Windows 10 operating system in order to develop C or C++ programs. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for CodeBlocks keyword here. And in here, the first link which will appear here will be from codeblocks.org. So just click this link and then just click downloads here. And then in here you have three options: download the binary release, or download the source code, or retrieve source code from Subversion. So you need to click this first option, and then in here you will see some more options here, right? So first option is CodeBlocks 13.12, which is the latest version at the time of making this video. Second option is CodeBlocks 13.2 MinGW setup. Now, what is MinGW? First of all, MinGW is a compiler which you are going to use to compile your C or C++ programs. Okay. If you download and install only CodeBlocks, then you have to install MinGW separately, and then you may have some problem in compiling your code. So it's better to have CodeBlocks with MinGW compiler so that you don't need to install any extra software. Okay, so we are going to use this second option, and then just click sourceforge.net. Okay, and when you click this sourceforge.net website, it's going to download this CodeBlocks executable file on your Windows operating system. Okay, I have already downloaded this file, so I don't need to do this, but in your case you need to download it. So once this executable file is downloaded, it's going to look like this: CodeBlocks 13.212 MinGW setup. So just double click on this executable file and then just click yes. And now the installation of CodeBlocks IDE will start. Okay, now you just need to click next here, and then if you agree with these license terms and condition, you can say I agree, and then leave everything as default, click next, and then click install. Now let the installation process to complete. So now the installation of CodeBlocks is completed, and it's going to give this pop-up, and it will ask you if you want to run CodeBlocks now or not. And you will also see this CodeBlocks icon on your desktop. So just click yes, and then click next and click finish. Now CodeBlocks IDE will start automatically. And in here you will see the compiler auto detection window for the first time when you run your CodeBlocks IDE, and you can see GNU GCC compiler is automatically detected. Now because we have downloaded and installed this CodeBlocks IDE with MinGW, that's why it's detecting your MinGW compiler. Okay, so when you go to your C folder and when you go to your program files folder here, you will see CodeBlocks folder after installing, and then you will see MinGW, right? And it's detecting this folder, and in here you will see all your compilation binary files are there. Okay, so because we have downloaded the MinGW version, that's why it's detecting the GNU GCC compiler. So just click OK here, and now your CodeBlocks IDE has been started. It'll go some kind of warning here. You just need to click OK. And now we are going to create our first project in C++, for example. So go to File here and click New, and then click Project. And in here you will see different kind of project you can make in CodeBlocks IDE. We just want to make a console application, so just choose console application and click Go, and then click Next, and then choose C++, and then give the name to your project, for example test, and then give the path where you want to save your project. Okay, so you can give your PC document, for example, or any other project which you want to use it as a project folder. Okay, so just click OK and then click next and leave everything as default and click finish now. Okay, so now your project is created and you can see all the project which you have created on the left hand side under project category here. Okay, now go under the project and you will see this source folder here. Open the source folder and you will see a main.cpp file here. Okay, and you can already see CodeBlocks has already created us a sample hello world project. You can control and scroll to make your font smaller or bigger like this. And then first of all you need to save your program in order to compile your program, and then you can choose either build from here and click build, or otherwise you can choose this build button from here. Okay, so just click to build your project, and here in the build log you can see that I have successfully built my project and it has 0 error and 0 warning right now. Okay, so after building your project you need to run it, and to run it you need to just click this green button, or you can go to build here and just click run button. Okay, so I'm going to click this run button, and now my project is running and it says hello world. Okay, so in this way you can download and install CodeBlocks IDE on your Windows 10 operating system for creating C and C++ programs. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.